Hello friends, in this session we are going to learn how to find out broken links on our web page. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we have to know what is meant by broken links. So here I use dead link city, this URL, and in this URL, see here 400 series and 500 series, these are the HTTP codes, 200 series, 300 series also, and 200 300 series, it's a valid link. Okay, and when we get the 400 or 500 series, then this is a invalid link. Okay, so this is a bad links, and 200 or 200 series, it's a valid link, it's a working. Okay, so how we can handle this using in Selenium? So let's start our coding. See here I create a class link broken. Okay, you can create in and give any name for this class. In that class I launch browser using system.set property. After that we create a option of the object of the Chrome driver with respect to WebDriver. After that, this Chrome browser, we will maximize this window. Okay, then after using the implicit word in Selenium, we are process here without the any error. Okay, each and every element we can access here using this implicit word. Okay, so now after that, firstly we have to open specific URL using get method. In that get method, we will copy this URL and paste in our get method. Okay, after we have to inspect each and every link. Okay, so right click on this web page, inspect, and see. When we search // tag name A, tag name A, it's a always link tag name. Okay, it's always start from A. Okay, so see here 48 tag names here, means we have on this page 48 links. Okay, after that this tag name here is attribute href. Using this attribute we can open the our each and every connection. So see driver dot find elements method, we use locating strategy as a tag name, and in that tag name we write a /A. Okay, complete the statement, and this statement we will store in one object as a URL list, and it's written find elements list of web element. Okay, it's written list of web element because here number of web element we will access here, number of links we will access here, that's why it's written list of web element. Next we will print the size of the link, we will print the size of the link using this object. So write system.out.println in double quote, print the message here, number of links. After that, using find elements methods object URL list dot size method, we can print the size of the link. After that, using the for each loop, we can access each and every link. So for each loop, in that for each loop, we access URL list and store in one element, and it's written, what is the return? Web element. Okay, create body for the for loop. After that, using this element, we can access each and every link using get attribute. Okay, so element dot get attribute, and what is attribute? We were see href. Complete the syntax, and this statement we will store in one reference variable as a link URL. Link URL equal to, and store in one reference variable as a link URL, and it's written string. After that, without any error, we can access each and every link without a disturb. For that, we use try and catch block. For the try block body, and next one catch. In this, we type exception E. After that, create 40 for also catch block, and here in the try loop, firstly we have to create object for the URL class, and URL equal to new URL, and in this we have to pass this link URL. We object of this link string link URL. So pass link URL. Okay, complete this statement and import the package of the URL class from the JavaNet. Next, after that, we are open this each and every link. For that, use open connection method. URL dot open connection, and where it is HTTP URL connection, and this statement we have to store in one reference variable or object equal to UHUC. It's a short form. After that, we have to import also this package from JavaNet. After that, using this HTTP URL connection, we can set connect timeout. Set connect timeout, give the 5-second timeout, because each and every URL we have to load here. If this URL is not load, then it's for that we use here timeout connection. Okay, connect timeout. After that, HUC connect. Okay, next one we use each and every link. It is we have to get the response code for the each and every loop, it's valid link or invalid link. For that, using this HUC, this HTTP URL connection object, we get response using the get response code. Okay. After that, greater than equal to 400, it's a HTTP status code. When its URL is connect here, then we get a HTTP status code. If it is a 400, it's a not valid. Then we have to print the statement. For that, we use system.out.println. Here we use link URL. Using this, use HUC get response message here. Okay, response message means it's if it is a status code is invalid, then we print this like that statement. Okay, so after that, we have to print message as a is broken link. If it is not get the HTTP status code is 400, then else, then we have to print as it is statement as a okay. Okay, link URL plus HUC get response message here. If we have to print the here, we have to print broken link. How many broken links are in or our web page? That's why here we use firstly integer broken link equal to 0. Complete the syntax. Here is not given space here. Okay, so using this broken link here, if we get the invalid link, it means it's above 400 get response here, then broken link plus plus means it's count the broken link. After that, we have to see out of the for each loop, out of the for each loop. Okay, for that, no, it's okay. And we have to print out of the for each loop here. Now print the broken link. Total number of broken link equal to plus broken links. Okay. Now what is the error? See in this. Let's check. It's correct, but what is error? See, let me check it. Okay, here plus is missing. That's why here get error. Okay, now it's correct. Now we have to run this program now and see what happened and how many links are present here. See, when this URL is open, then count our link using this tag name A. Then after print this, how many number of links print in our console. After that, using the get attribute method, we can access each and every link. Using this HTTP URL connection, we can open each and every link open connection. If it is loading time is load time is increase, then that time where we get give here set connection timeout. Okay, after that we connect here each and every link, and if we get the response code above the 400, then we print this broken link and count the broken link one by one. And if we doesn't get the 400, then print this message. Okay, and last one, we can count the total number of broken links and print in our console. Okay, so let's run this program. Let's open our Chrome browser, and here we have to give driver dot. Open this Chrome browser. Save. Maximize this window. Loading this dead link city URL. After that, count this link. See here, we get this dead link city, and here is bad request broken link, unauthorized broken links. Here is okay. See here. See, here is above 400 HTTP status code. It's a bad link. Okay. See here, like that. These are the above the 400 means 500 series. It's a okay link. It's okay link. Okay. And end of this, we get the how many broken links we found here. See here, total number of broken links 42. When I maximize this page and see here, number of links 48, and we get the broken links 42, like that. So today's session we will learn how to find out broken links on our web page. Thank you for the watching video.